Hey everyone, welcome to another lesson on subtraction with regrouping. Because we've talked about subtraction with regrouping a couple weeks at school and we've done some online lessons, I think we're ready to mix it up a little bit. In this lesson, we are going to look at subtraction with regrouping and with no regrouping. So you're going to have to look at the question, decide if you need to regroup or not, as well as some word problems at the end. I'm just going to show you here. There's a couple of questions on the page. So I've got 3 questions on this page, 3 on the next one. And you can see, so we have 54 minus 36. You're going to need to decide if you need to regroup, because you might on all of them, you might not on any of them, you might on some, and you might not on others. And again, you can use your strategies for this. So you can use the tens and ones, and you can use the tens and ones only if you would like on these ones. You can split it into your tens and ones with the line. You can use your hundreds charts and say 54 minus 36. Or you can do the way we've been doing of crossing off and putting our new numbers on top. I'd like to see how you guys do this, so I'm just going to do one of them. I'm going to pick this middle one. I'm going to pick 93 minus 11. I'm going to split here down the middle. And again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to separate your tens and ones. I'm just going to move this over a little bit. Click and drag and unclick. And then click away. So I have 3 minus 1. Oh, hey, I don't need to regroup because I know that 3 is bigger than 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 9 minus 1 is 8. So I don't need to regroup on this one. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to backspace my answer. So I have 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 1 is 2. And then I can click away. If you want to, you can close up your text box a little bit by clicking here and dragging back. And then you can click away here so that your place value lines up a little bit better. So that's what we'll do for this page, this slide, and next one. And then we're going to get into the story problems. And what I'm going to do for these is I'm going to attach an audio clip so you can listen to the story problem. I gave you a hint on these ones because they are all subtraction story problems. That remember when we make a whole, we're adding, so we have a part whole. And when we are subtracting, we have the whole, and we're breaking it apart into a part and a part. So I've given you the whole, and I've given you one of the parts, and you need to find the other parts. You need to find the missing part. And again, I will put audio clips on these so you can listen to them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 story problems. After this, we're going to get into some skip counting. Today is skip counting by 10, so you're skip counting by tens only, all the way down, all the way back, and I'd like you to skip count by tens any number other than 10 all the way down, and I'm going to start challenging you to go all the way back as well. When you're finished your skip counting, there's a couple of options. I have addition go fish here that you can play. We played this before with the tens flashcard, so it's making a friendly pair of 10, so it's making 10. So you can play that, or you can play addition snap if you wish to as well at home. If you have any questions, let me know. If the audio clips don't work, please let me know, and I will get on that right away. All right, have fun, guys, and I will chat with you.